All right, welcome back to another up close detail video series. Here we are with the beautiful Tradizione line from Stefano Bemer. So let's take a look. Just give you the quick little view. So for those that did not watch the unboxing video, this is the highest line of the Stefano Bemer collection. A fully handmade shoe, but on ready to wear stock last, so to speak. So this is essentially like bespoke without the customized last. As you can see, in a handmade shoe, you have all the bells and whistles that you would expect. You have the sharp fiddleback waist. You have a tapered narrow waist. You have a very clean sole with the closed channel stitch that is immaculate. The toe tap is there. That is just for show, but that does not come on the pairs. That's an added cost. You have beautiful, fine, straight forefoot on the sole. Sorry, I'm losing my words here. You have very fine detailing on the edging of the sole from the waist, the very beveled and thin waist, which is really nice. It's really sharp, with a very clean and super straight line there on the forefoot of the edging, which is, in my opinion, beautiful. Obviously, there's going to be arguments about the lack of toe spring, but I love it when a shoe has a beautiful clean line, but there is minimal toe spring there. Gorgeous shoe here, lovely hand patinaed color. You can see this kind of antique tan with the burnishing on the brogue, which I think is really nice. I did talk about the detailing of the pattern in the unboxing video. Very unique with this sort of like roller coaster type line here. Beautiful closing. I did mention that there's a double stitch that is just so well done. Very hard to do perfect, flawless, double, triple stitching. You know, single line is one thing, but then you gotta match it with the line right next to it. So beautiful stuff. You got the fudging on the welt. I know there's tight stitches to the inch there. Super clean, beautiful craftsmanship, lovely shoes. As you can see, they have all the details one would expect. Gorgeous stuff. Very sharp chisel last there, but not so narrow. It's got what looks like a quite generous fit. These shoes start at around $2,000. This one might be a little bit more. I believe the $2,000 for the loafers. So this line starts right there. Just take the shoe tray out. It's going to be hard to see. Sorry. Lovely lining. Very interesting detail there with the stitch. The way they cut that, it's pretty cool. To kind of follow the shape of the heel counter, which is interesting. I'd never seen that before, to be honest. So yeah, lovely shoe, great leather, very soft and supple. You can tell it's going to break in like a dream. Beautiful shape, beautiful shoe, unique pattern. Love the extended Adelaide that goes all the way around. Very clever. The cool heel counter and the lovely coloring job. Beautiful shoe at one and what one would expect from a handmade, completely handmade, high-end line, Tradizione, coming out of Italy, from one of the top makers in the history of Italy. In case I didn't mention that again, this was Stefano Bemer's Tradizione line. Beautiful shoes, great stuff, and believe it or not, this is their most successful line. Shoes that start at $2,000. So it's not hard to see why when you see the beauty of the craftsmanship. As always, thanks for tuning in. Definitely check out the unboxing video if you haven't already. And if you've been wondering where you can find some real beautiful handmade shoes, look no further than Stefano Bemer. Thanks for tuning in. Wishing everybody a great day.